The current climate for small businesses in today's digital world is a scary one. Our constantly changing environment has never had such an impact on our daily lives as it does today. With technology and social media escalating the pace of change, together with the ever-increasing demands by consumers and clients to interact with us however, wherever, whenever they want, if we don't keep pace with change, we risk becoming irrelevant. Now, this statement is very true, and what that means is all messages are white noise and can ultimately be ignored. This overabundance of messaging that all looks alike impacts your business and its ability to succeed. In fact, it can dilute your brand and push it into the background if you're not careful. The truth is, you're not just competing with the guy around the street or other people in your market or industry. You're competing with everyone, everywhere, for attention. You want people to pay attention to your messages, you want people to pay attention to your business, and what makes it different from the competition. You want people to pay attention to your brand. But you need to understand that brand is so much more than just a logo and a name and some email messages. Brand is all about why you're in this business and what you want people to experience when they interact with your business or even think about your business. And so you need to find a way to demonstrate your brand, not just communicate about it. Human beings are essentially visual animals. Our brains are hardwired to think in pictures. We communicated in images long before we ever did with words. Our memories are tied to pictures, and in fact, we spend a lot of energy taking in information that we hear and read and converting it to pictures so we better understand the messages being delivered. So that's why I believe the only successful messaging and communicating happens when you are able to incorporate visual elements into your messages. So that's Marketing 101.1. My second point is you need to be where your customers are. And right now, more of them are on mobile devices than ever before. In fact, we spend nearly 3 hours a day on mobile devices in what I refer to as moments of mobile opportunity. Those are times when you're in line at the store, you're sitting at your table in the restaurant waiting for your food, you're in the theater waiting for the movie to start, and what do? You take out your phone, you check your email, you post a photo on Facebook, respond to a request on LinkedIn. These moments didn't exist 5 or 6 years ago. Where we are with technology and social media and mobile marketing today is where we were with the internet 15 or 20 years ago. Back then, businesses questioned the need to have an internet presence. Today, you can't be in business without a website. And tomorrow, you won't be able to start a business without a mobile presence. So you need to have a mobile marketing strategy. Otherwise, you risk becoming unfindable, invisible, or irrelevant. Our mobile marketing TouchPro apps are specifically designed to help businesses strengthen the relationship that they have with their customers and clients by providing valuable information, convenience, and benefits that can only be achieved in a mobile experience. Things like multiple GPS loyalty programs and seamless integration with social media and streaming audio and video messaging and unlimited local push alerts. And push alerts should be part of every mobile marketing strategy. Why? Because email has a 30 to 40% open rate. Alerts have a 90 to 95% open rate. Email, on average, is about 90 minutes before somebody decides to look at email, finds your email, opens it, reads it, and takes some kind of action. Push alerts, 90 seconds. And push alerts can trigger campaigns, can capture contact information, can link to video and audio messaging, and so much more. So let me ask you to consider this. If you want to thrive in today's digital world, you need to first think visually, demonstrate, don't communicate. Second, be where your customers are. Third, have a mobile marketing strategy. And finally, educate, don't sell. Be that valuable resource to your market before they ever need or meet you. And only then will you be the known, liked, and trusted business you know you are and need to be. Thank you very much.